Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to win auction on eBay. Let's begin. If this is your first time here on eBay, you might want to click on the create an account button. Choose from personal or business. Just provide your full legal name, email and password. And by clicking the create an account button, you're all set. Or you might want to simplify the process by clicking on continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with Apple. Winning an auction on eBay can be exciting, but it requires strategy and timing. So here are some tips to increase your chances of winning an auction. Now, research the item first that you wanted, because before placing a bid, thoroughly research the item you are interested in. Now, say for example, you are interested in this item, size 9 Nike Air Jordan 3 Retro. Now click on that. Now you need to determine the maximum amount you are willing to pay for the item and stick to it, right? Now factor in the item's value, shipping cost, and additional fees, because from there, you need to place your bid strategically and preferably near the end of the auction. Now this technique is known as sniping. It reduces the chances of bidding war and increases your chances of winning at the lowest possible price, because eBay's automatic bidding feature allows you to enter the maximum amount you're willing to pay for an item. And of course, eBay will then bid on your behalf, incrementally increasing your bid until your maximum is reached. Now, it helps you stay competitive without constantly monitoring the action. Now, also, you might want to monitor the auction. Always keep an eye as it progresses to see if there's any competing bid, because if the bidding approaches your maximum budget, you may need to reassess whether you want to continue bidding, right? And avoid getting caught up in bidding wars that can drive the price higher than you're comfortable paying. Stick up to your budget and be patient. There will always be other opportunities to find similar items. Now, if you are not a fan of auctions or don't want to deal with the uncertainty of bidding, you need to consider looking for listings with a buy it now option. Now, if you hover down here on the left side of the filters, you can only, after clicking the option, click on the buy it now, because from here, it will allow you to purchase the item immediately at a set price without having to participate in an auction. All right. And also, after doing so, after placing a bid, you might want to review the seller's feedback right here, rating, and read any comments left by the previous buyers, because a seller with a good reputation is more likely to provide a positive buying experience, right? Also, you might want to go here at eBay's tips for winning auctions. Now, these tips and strategies can increase your chances of winning auctions on eBay while staying within your budget and, of course, avoiding bidding wars. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.